Make sure the hose clamp is fully open. When fitting it around the hose, be cautious if there is an exposed wire. Insert the hose adapter into the hose, ensuring the 4 rubber feet do not seat beneath the hose. If there is an exposed wire, spin the adapter to position it next to one of the adapter hooks. Bring the hose clamp up to the base of the adapter and make sure the 4 rubber feet sit beneath the clamp. Tighten the clamp using a flathead screwdriver to firmly snug. Make sure the clamp remains against the adapter during tightening. Caution: do not over-tighten the clamp.